Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Learning Hub Pampa Majumdar. I hope you all are liking my videos because I am trying to make learning so interesting and fun for you. And today I am here with a new letter. But before starting the today's class, I would like to share an interesting riddle with you. So are you all excited to listen the riddle? Yes. Then without any further ado, let's get started. When it's rain outside, I am held over your head to keep you from getting wet. Once more and listen very carefully. When it's rain outside, I am held over your head to keep you from getting wet. What am I? Think, everyone think. Yes, umbrella. This is an umbrella. Children, do you know how to open an umbrella? Yes, let's see. Umbrella. So this is an umbrella. Now listen and observe very carefully. When it's rain outside, we hold umbrella over our head to keep us from getting wet. So the answer is umbrella. This is an umbrella. But why am I showing you an umbrella? Yes, because today we are going to learn about the beginning letter of umbrella. So what is the beginning letter of umbrella? Let's see. Here it is. The word umbrella begins with this letter. Letter U. This is letter U. This is capital letter U and this is small letter U. This is uppercase U means capital letter U and this is lowercase u means small letter u. Now the formation of letter U. For this, we need to join these two fingers. Start from top, make a standing line, then turn and go up. One more time, make a standing line, then turn to the right side, then go up. This is the formation of letter U. Now let's see how to write letter U. Start from top red line to bottom blue line, turn and then go up. One more time, make a standing line from top red line to bottom blue line, then turn to the right side, then again go up. One more time. Children, observe very carefully. Make a standing line from top red line to bottom blue line, then turn to the right side, then go up. This is how we write letter U. Which letter is this? Letter U. U for umbrella. This is letter U, U for umbrella. Next, the most important part is phonics. The phonics sound of letter U. U says a. Children, everyone repeat after me. A. Now pretend to open an umbrella. So keep one hand steady and raise the other hand up. As you are opening an umbrella. Once more. So do the action along with sound. Now to remember the sound of letter U, let's sing an action song. Up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. Once more, U says up go umbrellas, Up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. So U says a. U says a umbrella. Let's learn few words that begin with letter U. This is an umbrella. A umbrella. We use umbrella when it's rain to keep us dry. Let's move on to the next word. This is an umpire. A umpire. He is an umpire. An umpire is someone who makes sure all of the rules are followed and no one cheats game, such as cricket, tennis, etc. Next, this is an urn. A urn. An urn is a metal vessel with narrow neck and a lid. Next, U is for up. Up means upper. Everyone raise your hands up. Yes, very good. Let's go up the stairs. So up means upper. Next, U is for under. Under means niche. Under. Under means niche. So can you see a cat over here? Where is the cat? Yes, the cat is under the table. Under. Under means niche. So children, let's recall one more time. Umbrella. Umpire. Urn. Up. Under. So there are many words that begin with letter U. Now let's move on to the activity, your favorite time. Children, now we are going to do a very interesting and colorful activity. For that, we need very few resources. We need only colorful clay doughs. First, we are going to make letter U with the help of clay dough. Then we will make an umbrella, a beautiful umbrella. So let's begin. Our activity is done. It's a very beautiful, interesting and easy activity, isn't it? So children, you must try it at home. So today we have learned about letter U, the sound of letter U, the formation of letter U and different objects or words that begin with letter U. So keep learning and keep smiling. I'll be back very soon with another interesting topic. Bye-bye.